Hello everyone, this is my tool number 5. It is a whiteboard tool that would allow me in real time to share a sketch, a calculation, or an example with my students, say at 8 o'clock at night. So we would all join and go online, meet online, and we would not see our faces. We would just see the whiteboard, and I would be able to interact with them and draw on the whiteboard and give them some example calculations. So what I did was I looked in, oops, sorry, I looked in Google Drive, and what I did was I added a new, well, I tried Google Sketch, Google Drawings. I tried a Google drawing, and it is right here. And what it is I called it Homework Tonight, and I have tried to write with my mouse, although I'm working on a touch screen at home, and I have a pen also on my Surface. So I would like to be able to receive a comment from a student and then quickly show them some steps in the calculation. I do notice that I can add a comment, which means I can type. That is the right start. Okay, I can do that, but again, I'm not sure how to have an interactive sketch pad, if you will, where it's not video, it's just where we can draw on the whiteboard and type some comments using our Google Classroom profile. So I look forward to hearing your input and suggestions on what I could use for this tool 5. Thank you.